Hey guys, it's October 28th, 2018. It's a rainy day here in Seattle, and just gonna give you a really quick update of the garden. So yeah, you can see all of these perennial plants are still here. Most of them are going dormant now. Like this grape, you can see the leaves are changing colors. Rosemary are still here, and you can see the asparagus is definitely changing color too. Mulberry, apparently it's gonna go dormant as well. Blueberry shedding a lot of leaves. Dahlia is dying back for sure. Hydrangea is finally gonna start going dormant now. The leaves are started to change color. Potatoes, gonna harvest them today. But yeah, you can see they're going dormant for sure. Calla lily, rhubarb. Tomato isn't really growing anymore, so I'm gonna throw it away. Raspberry, and you can see some flowers from the saffron. Gonna do another video on that. And this is the next day, October 29th. I did a major rearrangement and cleanup on the garden. As you can see, I moved the succulents over here so it doesn't get rain. And some of the plants like catnip and lily, I put it on the shelf too. And the rosemary, lavender are still at the same place. I moved the rosemary over here and the saffron on here so they get more sunlight. Peony, English ivy, grape, all around the same place. Also, I put out and planted some new bulbs. Those are the daffodils. These are the checkered lilies. I have 2 pots of those. And puschkinia. And here we have more. These are the snowdrops. Yeah, these are the snowdrops. Some summer snowflakes, tulips. Here we have the hyacinth on the left and 2 crocus on the right. Here we have summer snowflake and another bulb. Mulberry is still at the same place. Lily of the valley, blueberry. And here we have the daffodil and grape hyacinth right here. And everything else is pretty much in the same place. Oh, and right here you can see that I transplanted the artichoke into this big wildflower pot. Strawberries, and I transplanted the asparagus into the big, deeper potato pot. Moved the raspberry over here and rhubarb over here. And I moved the calla lily over here so it doesn't get rain anymore, as well as the dahlia. And I moved the saffron over here and transplanted the artichoke into the tomato pot.